Had a great time, tour guides were knowledgeable and it was great. They took us to where there were a lot of turtles, which was really nice. This is a must-do excursion. We were a family of 4, including 13-year-old daughters, and we did quite a bit including parasailing, snorkeling, scuba diving and an ATV tour. We were here all week and this was the perfect way to close out our vacation. The water was calm, the view was beautiful and our guide, JD, was a pleasure. We kayaked for nearly 2 hours, but the pace was just right and it didn't feel like a workout. We traveled pretty far down the coastline and JD found the perfect spot for us to stop and watch an amazing sunset. Plus, JD took a good number of photos and videos which he transferred to me at the end of the ride. This was just perfect. Thanks so much. Ask for JD if he's available. He was knowledgeable and very friendly. He took great pictures of my wife and I with his iPhone and mailed them to me the next day. We may be back with friends in 6 months and will likely repeat this if we do. Lovely evening kayak on the ocean. I have kayaking experience but my friend does not, but it was perfect for the 2 of us. It was just us and the tour guides, which was an extra bonus. They told us lots of stories and facts about the area. We got to kayak past many popular beaches, beautiful local homes and saw many fish. Our guide JD was friendly and had a lot of knowledge of the Aruba island. I only wish we had remembered to bring bread or crackers to bring more fish to us. JD from Clear Kayak was awesome on our honeymoon nighttime kayak tour. I had no problem keeping up with him, but he still took the time to show us all of cool sights and move a comfortable pace, never mind the amazing photos he took of us along the way. The sunset during the kayaking was also beautiful. The kayaking was fun, but JD was what made the trip unforgettable. I highly recommend Clear Kayak and especially JD. We had a great time. We were unable to make our original date due to my husband not feeling well. The tour was gracious and allowed us to reschedule, which we were very grateful. The sky was cloudy but the scene was beautiful. We were caught in the rain, but we had a great guide who was a very friendly young man and made our first kayaking trip very memorable. We wish the best to Lee and JD, who were a great host. Hopefully we may run into each other again. Thanks again for a great time. Fabulous evening on the kayaks. The tour guides were very friendly and interactive and made our whole experience fun. The glass bottom is plastic and not very see-through, so don't expect much there. But the entire time was super fun. Kayaking during sunset was super memorable. They have dry boxes for your phones, and they also take pictures of you the whole time and send them to your email later. And then the light-up bottom on the way back was the coolest part. The sea floor gets lit up by the lights they put in your kayak and you can see all sorts of coral, fish, and we even saw a turtle. Definitely recommend this excursion to anyone staying in Aruba. Side note, if you are using public transportation, make sure you take an early bus to Arashi Beach, then we taxied back.